guys, you are most welcome to another episode of Street Files, proudly brought to you by Manifest Apparel. Now today we are going to be switching things up a little bit and directing our questions to the male folks. That's right, it's all about the men today. And the question is, what would you do as a man if you were to find out that, the house you live in with your family and you have been paying rent over time actually belongs to your wife? Apparently, you've been paying rent all this while to your wife. I cannot wait to hear the answers. Stick around with me. I am a queen. Stay tuned.
This episode of Street Files is brought to you by Manifest Apparel.
If you were to find out that your wife, the house you stay in with your family and you have been paying the rent all these years, actually belongs to your wife. So apparently you've been paying rent to your wife without knowing.
Oh, wonderful. It's a dicey question.
Wow, that's like a hard pill to swallow. Well, I don't know if it's our house. Well, I already feel incompetent enough living in our own house. So, I don't know, maybe I'll make myself better and maybe get my own house or something.
I don't know, I'll be angry though, but I don't know, I have to make a smart decision.
So what is that smart decision that you will make?
I don't think I'll let her know I know.
It's bad, but it's encouraging.
So that's the only thing you just do, just make yourself better.
That's all.
Firstly, I'll first feel disappointed, but the first thing I will do in order to know the action I'm going to take after that is that I will need to call my wife and ask her why has she been doing that now. If she is able to give me a tangible reason, maybe I can find a place in my heart and forgive her. But if else, she was unable to give me a tangible reason, but it will be hard for me to trust her henceforth because I will feel so disappointed with that attitude.
I was surprised. I will first of all faint first. I will faint. That all the years I've been investing in my wife and I'm not aware. So why is he doing that? We are all together now. You don't need to hide from husband and wife. You don't need to hide now. How can I be paying rent from you? So are we supposed to not live free in that house? What belong to you belong to me. What belong to me belong to you. So you don't need for me to pay rent now. So if you are doing that, so that means maybe he's hiding something.
No, usually you can't do anything. Rather, you smile in your heart. You call her close. You ask some question. You bet her. Then if she can be able to tell you how far that she have gone, if she have used any other name to identify, maybe you can change it as far as it's your wife. If people can change it, no problem about that. But it's unfair if your woman is doing that for you. That means she's hiding something behind. I will call her attention first to find out whether it's true or not. And if I find out that it's true, I just believe that she's a woman. Bible calls them weaker vessels. I'll find a way to retrieve that money from her first. One, and I'll take over the ownership of the house from that moment. I will not allow it to cause fracas. As long as I know that her earning is enough to have afforded that house, I may give her a bite on her nose.
Literally, I ash on the nose.
I say bite. I will bring out my teeth, but I will not allow blood to come out.
Well, that's the height of distrust, because even though it's not enough to call it quit on the marriage, but then to take a very long while for things to get back to normal, because I'm someone who advocates more of trust over love. I think trust and understanding comes above love.
Alright guys, we've come to the end of today's episode of Street Files, and with the rain, it definitely could not take away our shine. Anyways, you've heard it from the men. Like you've said, some will remain chilled and calm, some would go gagas, and some would even faint in the process. But one thing remains is that it's going to be a major shock for most of them. Anyways, don't forget to check out our website at www.connectnigeria.com and follow us across all our social media handles. Don't forget to follow us at Cntv Media on Instagram. Until next time, I am McQueen. Bye-bye.
This episode of Street Files is brought to you by Manifest Apparel.